our topic today is about surface area. But before that one, let's learn some vocabulary. First, cross section. Cross section. Prism. Prism. Rectangular. Rectangular. Surface area. Surface area. Triangular. Triangular. Now, let's go to our topic. Again, our topic today is about surface area. First, we will talk about prism. Okay, what is prism? It is three-dimensional figure which has identical cross section and said to have uniform or constant cross section. These one are the example of prism. We have hexagonal prism, cube, rectangular prism, and triangular prism. Okay, how to solve surface area of a prism? To solve that one, the total surface area is the sum of the areas of all faces of a three-dimensional figure. To find the total surface area of a prism is to sum up of the areas of all the figures from the net of that prism. Let's have this one, a triangular prism. Okay, the net of a triangular prism is made up of three rectangles and two triangles. So meaning the total face of this prism is the sum of the areas of three rectangles and two triangles. Let's have example. Find the total surface of the prism shown. Okay, this one, we have triangular prism and we will going to find its surface area. The net is made up of three rectangular and two triangles. Since it is a triangular prism, so we have three rectangles and two triangles. We will going to solve the area of those shape. Okay, first we will going to solve the area of three rectangles. So we have the back, the base, and the front. Okay, first the back. Okay, remember it is rectangular. So meaning in solving the area of a rectangular, we have length times width. So the length there is 2.6 centimeter and the width there is 4 centimeters. So the back is 2.6 times 4 equals 10.4 centimeter squared. And next, we will going to solve the base. Okay, we have our length is 3. And then our width is 4. So we have 3 times 4 is 12 centimeter. Next, we will going to solve the front. Okay, we have the length 3 and the width is 4. So 3 times 4 is 12 centimeter, meaning the back is 10.4 centimeter, the base is 12 centimeter squared, and the front is 12 centimeter squared. That is the area of our rectangles. Okay, after that one, we will going to solve the area of two triangles. Since we have two triangles, right? So as you can observe, okay, our triangles are isosceles, which is the two sides are equal. So we have 3 centimeter and the other side is 2.6 centimeters. So meaning the base of our triangle is 2.6 centimeter. And after the one, we will going to solve the height. Since the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. So we will going to solve the height. How to solve the height? Okay, to solve the height, we will going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? We have c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Okay, this one, we have the hypotenuse is 3 centimeter and the adjacent is 2.6 centimeters. So meaning we will going to find the other adjacent. Okay, we will going to use the formula a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. So meaning we have this one. The height of each triangle is equal to square root of 3 squared, which is our hypotenuse, minus 2.6 over 2 squared. Why 2.6? Because, why 2.6 over 2? Because, okay, it is a triangle. So we will going to divide the 1 into 2 so that we can make a right angle, so that we can find the height. So we will going to divide the 1. 2.6 over 2. So the answer is, okay, square root of 3 squared minus 1.3 squared. Since 2.6 divided 2 is 1.3 squared. Next, okay, 3 squared is 9 minus 1.3 squared is 1.69. And 9 minus 1.69 is equal to 7.31. So what is the square root of 7.31? So the square root is 2.7 centimeters. So meaning our height of this triangle is 2.7 centimeter. Since we have base and height, so we can solve now the area of each triangle. Again, the formula is 1/2 times base times height. So we have 1/2 times 2.6, which is our base, times 2.7, which is our height. So the answer is 3.51 centimeters squared. Since we have two triangles, so we will going to multiply that one into 2. So we have 2 times 3.51. So the answer is 7.02 centimeters squared. So therefore, the total area of our triangular prism is 10.4 centimeters squared plus 12 centimeters squared plus 12 centimeters squared, which is our area of three triangles, plus 7.02 centimeters squared, the area of our two triangles. So the answer is 41.42 centimeters squared. So this is now the answer of the surface area of our triangular prism. Let's have another example. Okay, this one. Again, in solving the surface area of a triangular prism, we need to solve first the area of three rectangles and two triangles. Okay, first we will going to solve the area of three rectangles. Okay, first the front. Okay, look at the front. Okay, the length there is 5 centimeter and the width there is 8 centimeters. So meaning we have 5 times 8 is equal to 40 centimeters squared. That is the area of our front. Next, our base. We will going to solve the base. So we have the length, which is 6 centimeter, and the width is 8 centimeters. So meaning we have 6 times 8, that is 48 centimeter squared. Next, we will going to solve the back rectangle. So look at the back rectangle. Okay, the length there is 5 centimeter and the width is 8 centimeters. So meaning we have 5 times 8 is 40 centimeters squared. So we have now the area of our three rectangles. First, the front is 40 centimeters squared. Next, the base is 48 centimeters squared. And the back is 40 centimeters squared. Next, we will going to solve the area of two triangles. Look at the triangles there. It is an isosceles triangle, meaning the two sides are equal, which is 5 centimeter, and the other side is 6 centimeters. So meaning the base of each triangle is 6 centimeter. After that one, we will going to solve the height. In solving the height, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. And we will use the formula a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. Since we will going to solve the side opposite to the hypotenuse. So we have the height of triangle is equal to square root of 5 squared. 5 is our hypotenuse minus 3 squared. The 3 is the half of our base because we divide this one into 2 to form the right angle so that we can solve the height, right? So we have 5 squared is 25. 3 squared is 9. So we have square root of 25 minus 9. So we have 25 minus 9 is 16. So we have square root of 16 is 4 centimeters squared. So meaning the height of our two triangles is 4 centimeter squared. Okay, since we have now our base and height, we can solve now the area of our triangle, which is 1/2 times 6 our base and times 4 our height. So we have 12 centimeter squared. And since we have two triangles, we will going to multiply that one into 2. So 2 times 12 is 24 centimeters squared. So meaning the area of our two triangles is 24 centimeters squared. So therefore, the total area is 40 plus 48 plus 40. This is the area of our rectangle, right? Plus 24 is equal to 152 centimeters squared. Now, this is now our answer. Okay, let's have exercise. Find the total surface area of this solid. Okay, we will going to solve the surface area of this prism.